Good morning, friend. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk about the important topics subject which is most necessary in formation of in fulfill the goal. This is not only important for the students but also important for the all the people who are having some goal, either in business, either in politics, and either many different parts of life, many different walk of life. First, what the necessary thing, they should fix the goal, they should make the goal in their life. Goal may be of any kinds, that is related to job, profession, business, farming, construction. There are a lots of different kinds of goal. So one should fix the goal. One should determine their mind for that goal. They should put their whole heart with honesty, dedication and sincerity to achieve the goal. Next important things to achieving the goal is that there should be transparency in their work. What they think and what they do both should be similar. There must not be differences between what they think, what they say and what they do. There must be transparency, there must be similarity. Third important things, there should be a timetable for their activity, what they want to do and what they do, that should be done according to time. So there must be the timetable for each and every kinds of activity. Next important things, they should conserve their energy, because what I see all around us, most of the people scatter their energy in many different kinds of useless work, like playing the online game, spending too much time on watching the TV, unnecessary talking by sitting among the people, unnecessary taking part in politics, spending time on criticizing the other. These types of things scatter our most of energy. Then what happen? We are having the less energy to put over the goal. Problems may come and go. It may be possible new kinds of problem may arise in our routes. But if our determination is strong, willpower is strong, that types of the problem or any kinds of problem cannot stay in my way. Definitely it will go from my life forever. So determination is also the important things to reach the goal easily. Next important things is that believe in simplicity. Don't run behind the fashion. Don't run behind the outward appearances. They must not follow the people who believe in outward appearances. Next important things that is very effective, keep faith in themselves. They should believe that any kinds of goal is achievable. Nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is possible and they can achieve it. What is the need to achieve it? That is self-confidence, and that self-confidence can be developed only by thinking positive. If we think positive, definitely our activities will be positive. It is also possible that people may criticize us, but we don't take care of the people, what they say. We should also follow the route. We should also cover the distance in which we want to go. And next important things, that is also most effective is that we must not have variable nature. We must not change our goal. We must not change our direction. We should always keep ourselves on the fixed direction and also on the fixed goal. Because if we do so, our life will just like the rolling stone. A rolling stone cannot stay at a point. It continuously roll. So it does not go at the certain point, and by striking the other object which lie on their way, it changes its placage. So here, a striking means people criticize, problem arise in our way, financially problem, socially problem, and many other kinds of the problem may be arise, and that types of the problem also strike with us. So any kind of the problem related to any kinds of the situation and things, we must not change our goal. We should determine, we should fix in our mind what I want to have in our life. Next important thing is we must not follow the shortcut route. We must not follow the illegal route. We must do everything under the strict rule of discipline. Here discipline means a certain rules through which everything can be done. We should do all our activity under the certain rules of discipline. Discipline is also necessary. It makes our life normal. It makes our life easy. It never makes us come in tension. It makes us internally and externally strong. It grows our immunity power. So discipline is also necessary, one of the most important factor to achieve our goal. Goal may be a smaller or bigger. It doesn't matter. But what goal we make in our life, that must be achieved. If we form the habit of achieving even the simple goal, what we make in our life, then self-confidence will increase. It will be growing up and up. So we should always know that goals should be necessary to make the life fruitful, to make the life meaningful and useful. So necessary things, once more I want to revise it. Fix the goal. Second, put whole heart and energy along with concentration and hard working to achieve that goal. Don't care of others. What people criticize us doesn't matter. We should always focus on our goal. Next important things, punctuality, discipline, timetable for our every work, and transparency. Other next important things, there should be similarity, what we think and what we do. So I think a few important things, necessary things is also should be added in achieving the goal, that is a spiritual energy. It is also necessary. A spiritual energy always keep us positive. It does not allow us to divert. It does not allow us to scatter our energy in many different kinds. So a spiritual energy is also necessary in our life, and so we should take some physical exercise, meditation, sit before the God, help the poor and needy people, help the physically handicapped people, help the orphan people. So these kinds of activities also should be included in our life, and it makes to reach our goal very easily. I think these kinds of activity, these kinds of thinking is little enough to achieve our goal easily, either it is bigger or smaller. If you are watching this video and if you like it, try to collect some important points which are also needful for you to achieve your goal, and also subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and send me the comment along with the other topics about which you want to know. In my next video, I shall try my best to include all the topics and points selected by you, and that video will reach you soon. Thank you.